Step 1. Drill out a space in the back box for the cabling. There are two 20mm knockouts on the back box as a guide, but drilling through the back of the back box is also an option depending on the application. Fasten the back box to the wall. Step 2. Wire in the two positive cables into the positive terminal. Wire in the two negative cables into the negative terminal. Step 3. Address the ADR using the DIL switch. When setting the address, make sure to follow the label on the product or refer to the install guide and datasheet for correct addressing. Step 4. Connect the terminal block and fasten the ADR to the back box. At this point, the LED should be flashing amber every 5 seconds to show the unit is charging. After the initialization period, this amber LED should change to green to show it's charged. Step 5. Insert the rubber gasket into the back of the keeper plate. Step 6. Fasten the keeper plate to the corner of the door. Step 7. Test the device by pressing the manual release button.